In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Waze location link. Whether you're meeting friends, setting up a rendezvous with colleagues, or simply sharing directions, sending a location link through Waze is a super handy skill that can make your life much easier. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you're going to want to open the Waze app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, it's available on both iOS and Android, so be sure to download it and sign in. Once you have Waze open, you're going to search for the specific address, place, or business that you want to share. Using the search bar at the top, just type in the name or address. Waze will then load your location of interest. After the location has loaded up on your screen, look for the three dots or the share button. These icons are usually located somewhere on the locations card, which should appear either at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your app settings. Tapping on this will give you sharing options. Now, let's talk about those options. You can choose to copy link if you plan to paste it into a text message, email, or even a messaging app like WhatsApp. This is particularly useful if you want to keep the link for later use or share it with multiple people at once. Alternatively, there's often an option that allows you to send it directly via various messaging apps, email, or even on social media platforms. This feature simplifies things if you know exactly where and to whom you want to send it right away. Once you've shared the link, the recipient will receive a Waze location link. Here's what happens next. If they have the Waze app installed on their device, clicking the link will open the location directly in Waze, directing them to the specified location. However, if they don't have Waze installed, don't worry. The link will open in their default web browser, offering them directions from there. This feature is convenient and ensures that no one is left out, no matter what apps they have on their device. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to share a location using Waze. Whether you're planning a gathering, coordinating a meeting, or simply sending helpful directions, knowing how to send a location link in Waze can be incredibly useful. Thank you for watching and happy navigating. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.